Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You. If you're new here, please feel free to subscribe and maybe stick around and see what we draw tomorrow. We draw something new every single day. So today I'm going to show you how to draw Pawmi, the super duper cute little Pokemon. He is a new Pokemon and I'm very excited about him. So before we get started, please feel free to leave a comment and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. So I'm going to start drawing Pawmi with the eyes. I'm going to start with 2 circles. So one here, and I'm going to give it a little bit of space and do the other circle. We can try our best to make these around the same size, but it doesn't have to be perfect. We're just having fun. And we can do a little circle inside. And we're going to do that to the other eye too, but I'm going to do it on that side. And we're going to do a little oval right here and one right here. And then we can color everything else all black. Okay, so the next thing we can do a cute little nose. So just like an itty bitty little upside down triangle. And almost like an upside down V, but it's kind of a wide V. Okay, I already think it looks so cute. All right, so we're gonna give it a little bit of space and we can do that fun little bit of like floofy hair on the top of the head. So it's pretty rounded and then it gets kind of pointy here at the top. And then we can bring it on back down. It kind of reminds me of like a bit of ice cream or whipped cream or something. Okay, and so we can do ears next. So we can come on up and they're rounded at the top. And come on back down. And inside that ear, we can do a shape like this. And then we can come on up. And then back down. And over here we can do the same for the other ear. It's kind of like a bunny. Kind of like bunny ears. But not quite. All right, so now we can start to do the shape of the head, coming down a little bit here on both sides, and here on the bottom, and just round it out. And he's got 2 cheeks, 2 like little circles on those cheeks. Kind of like Pikachu does. And then we're going to do a big oval here. The mouth and the nose are going to be like inside this oval shape. Like that. All right, so coming down from this part of the ear, we can start on the side of the body and it can become the front foot. So we can do like 1, 2, 3 little feet or little paws or fingers, whatever they are, and then bring that back up here And we can do like a little curved line right here, because that's going to separate one color from another. And we can do the same over here. So bring down that arm, and those arms are fairly wide. And then those itty bitty little fingers, or whatever you want to call them. And then that little line. And then here we can do the back, curving on down. And we can do a little foot. And do a couple little lines here, 1, 2. And then we can do a tail. So it's almost like a great big upside down U. And then a littler one of those shapes. Okay, so there we go. I think he is so, so cute, but I'm gonna add some color. Okay, we are finished our doodle for today. I think he turned out so, so cute. But let me know in the comments what you think. And also, let me know in the comments what you would like to see next, what you would like to learn how to draw next. All right, so thank you so much for drawing with me today. I hope you have an awesome day. Please know that you are awesome, and I hope to see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Goodbye!